In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a markdown sale on eBay. If you want to run a quick promotion and lower the price of selected items for shoppers, eBay's sale event tool makes that process pretty straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go so you can start setting up your markdown sale from the seller dashboard. To begin, go to your eBay seller account and click on Sell. This takes you into the main selling area where you can manage listings, orders, and promotional tools. If you're already signed in, this is usually the fastest place to access anything related to your store activity. Once you're in the seller area, move your cursor over marketing. You don't need to click right away if the menu appears on hover. This section is where eBay keeps tools designed to help you promote your listings, increase visibility, and create special offers for buyers. Taking the moment to get familiar with this menu can save time later if you plan to run different kinds of promotions in the future. From the marketing menu, click on Discounts. This opens the area where eBay lets you manage promotional pricing and sales campaigns. If you've never created a discount before, this page may look new, but don't worry, you're in the right place. This is where markdown sales and similar promotional offers are organized. Next, click on Create Promotion. This starts the process of building a new promotional campaign for your listings. Think of this as the setup point where you choose what type of discount you want to create. If eBay shows you multiple promotion options, just continue carefully and look for the one that matches a markdown style sale. Then click on Sale Event. This is the option you'll use to create a markdown sale on eBay. A sale event is designed for temporarily reducing prices on eligible listings, making it a useful tool for attracting more buyers, moving older inventory, or supporting a seasonal promotion. At this point, you've successfully reached the correct promotion type and are ready to continue building your sale inside eBay. As a general tip, before finalizing any promotion, it's always a good idea to double check which items you want included and make sure the discount matches your pricing strategy. That's it for this walkthrough. You now know how to navigate to the markdown sale creation area on eBay using the seller dashboard.